Welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at further polling mode settings. Firstly, I will set the polling delay to 200 milliseconds and the ignore last tag to 0. Then I will test this card and this should read every 200 milliseconds. Then I will leave the polling delay at 200 and change the ignore last tag timeout to 3000 milliseconds. Now, if I leave the tag on, I should only get the UID of the card once if the tag is still in the RFID field. Finally, I will leave the polling delay and ignore last tag timeout the same and put the card on and off every 2 or 3 seconds, and it should read each time. We will look at asynchronous packets available options. You want to go into the RFID page and make sure binary protocol format is selected. Now you can open HTerm and connect the board and select the COM port and make sure the board is 115200, then you can read this tag. An easy way to find your COM port is to open the device manager and look down the list and select COM port options and it will be there. Now we will look at the plain text format, so select this on the RFID page and then press save and restart. In this mode, the reader sends UIDs in ASCII characters format. Then open PuTTY. Select serial and select the COM port and change the speed to 115200 and then open. Then you can scan your card. Finally, we will show you the JSON format. So select this in the RFID tab and save and restart. Then open HTerm again and all the settings should be the same. But make sure that your new line is set to LF. Then you can scan the card.